How you doing, guys? I hope you are well. I've got another review for you. It's actually not that heavy, actually. Cosori. That's their top of the line air fryer. Let's see if we like this one. $250. Is it worth it? I don't know. I'm going to do a few little tests, not recipes tests, because I like to do tests with air fryers. Things that I like to eat. We're going to do an unboxing, and let's see what you get. See if the packaging's nice. Let's see if it looks nice. I'm excited. Yeah. Let's crack on. Oh. Come on. It's definitely well in there. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. Very nice packaging. Very good quality. Look at that. That's beautiful. Really, really nice. I like this bag. I've never seen a packaging like this. It's like in a, you put your laundry in or something. I've never seen that before. It's quite neat. And it's good quality too, the quality on it. And also, the cable's wrapped up as well. Never seen that before. Oh, I've got to do it. I do on every appliance. I got to this. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. I love this packaging. It's quality. Really is. Like a towel. And we've got a quick start guide. I've ripped this. Well, I guess you've got to rip it to get in there. I don't know. But then you got the recipe. So this is what you get inside the box. Obviously, the air fryer, you get the recipe book, and that's got 24 handcrafted recipes. You get the plate, and you get the instruction manual. First impressions, it looks absolutely beautiful. I've never seen an air fryer like this. It's got a very unique design to it, and yeah, it'll look fantastic in a kitchen. It's also got an app, so I'm looking forward to using the app. Definitely do some tests with this. $250. Let's see if it's worth it. Let's do the weight test. Is it heavy? It's what you'd expect an air fryer to be. I'll put the measurements down. But yeah, it's not too bad. And you should know by now with all my reviews, let's take a deep dive into this $250 air fryer and see what it can do. Meet the Cosori Iconic 6.5 quart smart air fryer. A premium family-sized appliance designed to be both stylish and versatile in the modern kitchen. The body is constructed primarily from stainless steel with minimal plastic, giving it a sleek, durable look that fits well alongside other high-end kitchen equipment. All food contact surfaces, including the basket and crisper plate, use PFAS-free ceramic non-stick coating, making cleanup easier and avoiding harmful chemicals many cheaper models still use. Inside, you get a generous 6.5 quart capacity, which is great for cooking meals for families or larger portions without taking too much counter space. The temperature ranges from 90 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you flexibility for everything, from proofing and dehydrating to roasting and crisping. There are 6 versatile cooking functions, including air fry, roast, bake, proof, dehydrate, and reheat, allowing you to use the air fryer for a wide variety of foods and techniques. Control is easy, thanks to the top glass touchscreen panel, right on the unit. But one of the biggest modern conveniences is the VeSync app integration. Through the app, you can monitor cooking process, adjust time and temperature, and follow guided in-app recipes created by chefs, all from your phone. The app also lets you save custom settings, and in some regions it supports voice control through systems like Alexa or Google Assistant when paired, giving you even more flexibility. Overall, this air fryer combines smart tech, flexible cooking options, a premium build, and easy cleanup, making it a strong choice if you want a feature-rich unit that looks good and performs consistently. Right, so now you know what it can actually do. We're going to do a test run and a wash. And what it says here, you need to wash the basket and the plate. So we'll do that. And it also suggests to do a test run. And that's just to check if it's working, cook out all the chemicals and stuff. So we'll do that. And then we'll do some food. I'm going to do some fries, I think. I'm going to do some steak, definitely steak, pork. And yeah, so these are all what I would eat in an air fryer. And let's see if it does it well. Let's see if it's up to that $250 mark. For the first test, I used butterfly pork chops using the app. Pork, regular cut, 8 ounce on roast. 12 minutes, 450 degrees. All right, moment of truth. I haven't seen it. Ooh, look at those beauties. They actually look really good. And they're nice and brown, but also this cooking liquor. Don't forget this cooking liquor. I'm just gonna pour over there. All right, taste test. And it smells amazing. It smells so porky. It really does. But remember, I haven't put anything on this. I haven't put nothing on this. No oil, nothing. And they've buckled up, pork does. I could have cut the ends so it, it levels out, but I didn't. Smells amazing, beautiful and juicy. So let's cut into one. Delicious. They're not hard, they're nice and soft, they're golden brown, they look beautiful, nice and juicy. Yeah, you can't go wrong with that. Next, I have round. I selected medium, 8 ounce, but the 8 ounce is going to come back to haunt me later. 355 degrees, 42 minutes on bake. And for the app, it was so easy to set up, literally 1 minute. I know that a few people have problems connecting to air fryers with apps and other appliances, but it took me 1 minute to set up. Just download it, put your email in, password, sign up, and then put your password in for your Wi-Fi, and then you're done. Boom, you're set up. And my house is up there, and my shed's down here, and I've still got Wi-Fi. 1 minute, that's it. All right, smells absolutely amazing. Let's see. Ooh, look at them beauties. Yes. First of all, it looks amazing, smells amazing, nice golden brown. I like the crispiness of the edges, nice golden brown crisp. I put the app on for medium, but I think I did it wrong. Not the app's fault, I think it's my fault, and I think it's done it well, medium well. But still looks amazing. Oh yeah. Next, chicken breast. Again, using the app, I selected boneless, air fry, 390 degrees, 15 minutes. Okay, smells absolutely fantastic, beautiful. Oh yeah, nice and juicy. I'm gonna let these rest. So it's rested, I've cut in the middle. It's nice and moist, juicy. It's just dripping. I'm not entering my own personal times or temperatures, I'm just seeing what the app and machine can do. The whole point of using the app is it cooks for you. If you're not confident in cooking protein, it does it for you. Just type it in, what you want to cook, the temperature's there, the time's there, and you just press start, voila. And then you've got a perfectly cooked protein. Last, and my favorite, frozen fries. Great test for an air fryer. I selected fries, thin cut, air fry, 16 minutes, 400 degrees. I'm actually interested to see what these look like. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful. Get these on. Nice and crispy, I can tell that they're crispy. Oh, got one here. Boom. Honestly, these are my favorite fries, and no word of a lie. I have these every single day in an air fryer I got in the house, and I wanted to do it at the same temperature, same sort of time to see how they would perform, and done a fantastic job. And these air fryers get more powerful as they go along, honestly, because that one in there in the house is pretty powerful, but this tops it, seriously. And I gotta do one. Oh yeah. I don't know why, these taste better cooked in here. They're fluffy on the inside and nice and crisp, and you can actually taste the fries. All right, a quick final thought. What do I think of this air fryer? One, it's slick. It's got a slick design, a unique design. I've never seen an air fryer looking like this before. It's shiny, but look beautiful in the kitchen. Yeah, you can get some fingerprints on there, but a damp cloth won't hurt. Get it off in seconds and it's fine. One thing you've got to watch out for this air fryer, it's powerful. In fact, I think it's one of the most powerful air fryers I've actually reviewed and used. And that one in the house, that's powerful. But this will put it to shame. Yeah, it's a pricey air fryer, but you pay for what you get, and you can tell it's quality. You really, really can. Yeah, cooks like a dream. Like I said, you got to watch out because he's really, really powerful. But yeah, he's definitely worth 250 bucks, in my opinion. Yeah, all the information is down below if you want one or if you're interested in it. Have a look at it. I think you'll be impressed. Thanks, guys.